For today's DIY project, GlamX, we're taking these 2-cylinder vases and I'm going to be spray painting them. I showed you my blue, but I'm actually going to paint these black. We're going to paint them and we're coming right back. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please consider joining the Glam Queen of DIY family. I have my vases painted and this is what it looks like black. I am going to be adding some of that diamond rhinestone adhesive and that crushed diamond epoxy, and this is silver and gold mixture. And you guys, I had to come back with the second winner for that Total Dazzle giveaway, and today's winner is Mona G. Mona, you have 24 hours to contact me for your e-gift card giveaway. And to you guys, I was using that cell phone to get the measurement of how much of this crushed diamond epoxy sheet that I did want to add to this vase. I'm going to cut my pieces. And to you guys, I have been listening to all of the responses that I've been getting. We will be going back to the 3 to 5 DIYs or more in the videos, and we should be starting that up around April, but we're still trying to secure somewhere where we can actually purchase pieces in bulk, which that has been the issue. But be on the lookout, you will see some more changes coming in April. You're also going to be getting this series. This is that wedding vlog series video. You will be getting these 2 times a week, and I will be implementing a couple more DIYs in those videos as well. Hello DIYers and content creators. If you would like to collab with me, Glam Queen of DIY, for this 2022 year, email me at glamqueenofdiy@gmail.com, and that email link is in the description box also. And please make sure you title your email YT 2022 collab. I know I'm running a little behind, and I have several collaborations that I will be hosting for this 2022 year. And if you would like to take part in any of them with me, just email me and I'll get back in touch with you with the collaborations in the email. Also, make sure you do send me an email if you do want to be a participant in that face-off challenge. I am gearing it back up for the remainder of this 2022 year, and I look forward to hearing from each and every one of you. Thank you guys so very much. Once again, the email is glamqueenofdiy@gmail.com. Title that email YT 2022 collab. I hope to hear from all of you fabulous DIYers and glamorous content creators. Now, back to the scheduled DIY video at hand. Now I'm just going to add on that crushed diamond epoxy. And two guys, make sure you are following the videos that we are uploading here on the channel. I will be letting you know we will be doing surprise giveaways inside of the videos, so you'll have to actually watch the video to get the details on how to win those giveaways. And just a heads up, just about all of the companies that I am partnering with, you will be even being benefited from that with giveaways as well. So be mindful of that, but you will have to look at the videos because I will not per se be including that information in the title or even in the description box. It is one of the things you have to watch the video to know if it is a giveaway inside of that video. And to you guys, please do not forget, if you would like to participate in a collaboration with me for this 2022 year, I do have 6 collabs on book, and I am going to be taking some people in that want to participate, not only for the DIY channel. I am also booking collabs for the decor channel as well, so please make sure you reach out to me. And again, if you use any of the emails, whether it's the DIY email or the decor email, make sure you add the subject line YT Collab, and we'll immediately pull those to the side, and I'll be contacting you back after we get all the information in. And to see this DIY featured, you guys, you must go to the Glam Queen of Decor. And on the Glam Queen of Decor, we do all things home decor. You will be seeing these soon. And now I'm bringing this DIY to a close, and you guys, this is very gorgeous. And I did make 2 of these, as you saw at the very beginning. I hope you do like it. Please drop me a comment down in the comment section and let me know if you are liking these DIYs. What is your favorite? Even drop me some ideas in that comment as well. I do appreciate all of y'all faithful, loyal love, and support. Make sure you do check out Glam Queen of DIY, the home of DIY. Glam Queen of Decor, the home of Glam Home Decor. Glam Queen Unboxing is the home of all unboxing and reviews. And if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive, so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.